Hey everyone, I'm Tim with the RYOBI Outdoor Product Team, here to talk about the RYOBI 40-volt HP Kinetic log splitter. This is the industry's first cordless kinetic log splitter, delivering 12 tons of splitting force in under 2 seconds. 40-volt HP technology provides more power, runtime, and durability, allowing us to outperform even 80cc gas competitors. And with up to 150 splits per charge, you won't sacrifice power or runtime. Now let's see how the RYOBI 40-volt log splitter compares to a hydraulic competitor. As you can see, our kinetic log splitter outperforms the competition with ease, powering through those logs with a 2-second cycle time, while the hydraulic unit slowly attempts to finish the job. This 40-volt HP log splitter includes a 4-amp-hour battery and charger, a $278 value, and is available exclusively at the Home Depot.